Canon EOS Rebel T6 digital SLR camera with 18 to 55mm f/s/f 3.5 to 5.6:2 lens plus 58mm wide-angle lens plus 2x telephoto lens plus flash plus 48GB South Dakota memory card plus UV filter kit plus tripod plus full accessory bundle. This PHOTO4-less top-value camera and lens with USA warranty and manufacturer's supplied accessories kit includes Canon EOS Rebel T6 DSLR camera body -18 to 55mm f/s/f 3.5 to 5.6:2 lens 58mm high-definition wide-angle lens and 58mm 2x professional telephoto lens. Transcend 32GB SDHC Class 10 flash memory card, Transcend 16GB SDHC Class 10 flash memory card, PHOTO4-less DC59 camera case P4LCCS30, photo video quality tripod. Digital DSLR auto power slave flash, RS60 remote switch for Canon 3-piece UV filter kit, UV-cpl-fled, 58mm, high-speed South Dakota USB card reader 58mm ultraviolet UV protector filter, memory card wallet, LCD screen protectors, clear, tabletop tripod 3-piece cleaning kit, lens cap holder. 18MP APS-C CMOS sensor DIGIC 4 Plus image processor 3.0 920K LCD monitor Full HD 1080p video recording at 30fps 9.f with center cross type point extended is 12800, 3fps shooting built-in Wi-Fi with NFC scene intelligent auto mode basic plus and creative auto modes.